I'm coach.
Oh.
I'm repayment. Just clean. Now, big biceps. Big biceps. Really weight? I'm trying this weight. Okay. Okay. Hello guys, I'm back.
I'll be back.
My friend. New reaction with Tarasik. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Write a comment what I like it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm just check. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, yes. I'm sorry. My name is Tarasik. Sorry, my name is Tarasik. Can I check here? This barbell?
You want to check it?
Yes. I miss this exercise for back, for legs.
No, for head.
Okay. For hand?
Yes?
Yes. For hand. I'm repayment in the gym.
I don't know.
I wanna check this bar.
No problem.
1 minute. Hammer. This for sound. Okay. I'm sorry. You need help?
Oh, no.
I'm coach.
Oh.
No, no.
No.
Oh. So. No. This fake weight? No. Really weight? I'm just check this barbell. Okay? 1 minute. This bar, it's okay. I'm sorry. This fake weight?
No.
No plastic?
No plastic.
Maybe. Okay. I'm just clean now or clean. Oh. Okay. Clean. I wanna try check this bar.
Maybe no?
I'm check.
This is heavy weight.
Maybe
Please, no,
I
no,
stand.
no.
I want more weight.
More weight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm coach. Super. Good job. Come on, Tarasik, come on. Just a second. I'm trying this weight. This weight. Okay. 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 I'm coach, Tarasik, 10, 11. This bar, it's okay. This weight, it's okay. This barbell is okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good day. Oh, wow. Oh. Wow. Wow. Excuse me, miss. Is this for biceps exercise? Yeah. Oh, wow. Good job. Good job. I'm sorry. This for back. This for booty. Booty. I wanna try this exercise. Okay. Big biceps. I want big biceps. Sorry, I'm check this here. Maybe just check.
Okay. Take it here. Look down. Sorry.
Oi.
How are you?
Okay, good sound. Yeah. Is this heavy weight? Yeah.
Yes,
Heavy?
very heavy.
Cool. I'm worried. I'm just 1 minute motivation.
Yes.
Cool. Well,
Stress.
maybe I'll try this weight. Yes. My motivation, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yes, I know him.
I want to be strong.
You can be, you can be. Wow,
This
nice.
form. Wow. Mm. Mhm. Oh. Whew. Fake way?
Yes.
Plastic?
No, it's metal.
Can I do these muscles from 2-3 weeks?
Oh, I don't know.
I know.
You can try. Maybe.
How much going into gym?
Age. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. I'm trying this way.
Right?
Yes.
Maybe no.
Maybe yes.
You can go up with this way.
Oh. Okay. Whew.
You're very strong.
Yeah.
Really. Very nice.
Thank you. Good day. Good day.